have no idea what the fuck I'm doing. But I know 100% that I'll figure it out.
Right. Well,
if there's any doubt in my mind that I can do it, I won't get involved.
well, you do seem to have some ability to figure things out, troubleshoot, and problem solve, and that's kind of rare.
I wouldn't have went out and invested all the money in a fucking sewing machine and shit like that if I didn't think I could do it. And I ain't gonna work on somebody else's shit before I know I can do it. I'm gonna work on my own.